guys, today I'm rocking my pigtails. It was funny because I actually had these pigtails in yesterday and it was just one huge center hair bun because they didn't look right yesterday. But I was on Marco Polo with the jams and Andrea had her hair in pigtails and I was like, do you have your hair in pigtails? Because I have my hair in pigtails too. So I took them out and redid them and this is what they look like. It's pigtails. And Andrew's like, it's Pigtail Wednesday. Then we all had pigtails. And tomorrow's going to be Side Pony Thursday. It's going to be great. I'm totally doing this. It's fantastic. Casey texted me today and she's like, hey, you have something coming from Amazon for you. And I was like, oh, okay. For me? And she's like, yeah. I was like, oh, it came. It's Samson. God, I miss that fool. So I'm editing vlogs from last month and it's the ones where Samson's sick. And I'm really dreading getting to the day where I was having to put him down. It's gonna be shit is what it's gonna be. I'm gonna tell you that there's a warning to the next few clips. It's just freaky and weird how I got it all on film, and it all started because Adam sent a Snapchat that a little baby bird was stuck in his raised garden beds. So let's just say it doesn't have a happy ending, and if you don't want to see it, then just fast forward to the next few minutes, okay? Thanks, bye. Oh, when he jumps like that, that's when you gotta go and then get him. Good job. Yay. No.
No,
Oh,
leave
no,
it.
Feta. No,
Hey,
no, no,
hey.
no, no.
You're a bad dog.
Oh, Feta. Feta, you killed the bird.